Okwana Swanya, Adigye Igbo, a subject that is being avoided, is never settled in time. Among the Igbos of the southeastern part of Nigeria, there are certain taboos that are traditionally prohibited and are big abominations that can cause distress to the entire Igbo universe. Do you know that the Igbo community is a universe at large? In day one, Afambo Chamoji, aka Aradibo, aka Chibibiti, native roots and talent. The Igbo tribe is a universe and is governed with both traditional and physical laws that must speak for our sons and daughters. The Igbo society is rich in culture, might, and superstition. Tata, Aiga Komaka, Iyojo Basara Umuwoke, na Omenala. Today we will talk about the taboos of men in Igbo land. Let's go. Now, what is a taboo? Every tribe has rules that they have to abide in, or things that they have to do or avoid doing. Hence, a taboo is anything not accepted or forbidden by an entire group of people or a society. Taking bribe to avert justice is a very big taboo in Igbo land. Onyema Otumiri Siwe Bayano Piubogo. Who knows how water got into the seeds of the pumpkin now? If Igbo continues, then there will be no justice or tradition in the land. Eating food cooked by women in their menstruation is a taboo in Igbo land. Some people see it as not a taboo, such that a woman can pray for you with her menstrual blood, while others see it as unclean. She can spoil your spiritual powers or traditional powers. The smell of fat will give you a clue of how the excreta or the poop smells. The word is enough for the wife. In your community, is it a taboo for a woman in a menstrual flow to sell food to a man or to her husband? Let the answer be in the comment section. Knowledge is never complete with just one person. Two heads are better than one. Staying without a wife is a very big taboo in Igbo land. Big Borudo, husband is life. Thank you for watching this beautiful Igbo Proverbs Friday with Chomoji, aka Adandibo. Stay tuned next month for another beautiful Igbo Proverbs Friday. Remember, it's Igbo Proverbs Friday every last Friday of the month. See ya! Day one. Adandibo.